Guangzhou City, Youye Electronics Company Limited is a professional wire harness and connector manufacturer located in Guangzhou, China, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. We have over 29 years of experience as wire harness and connector suppliers for OEMs and manufacturers across all industries since 1995. Youye Electronics obtained the certificates of IATF 16949-2016 and ISO 9001-2015. Youye Electronics is the industry's professional wire harness and connector manufacturer. Our custom manufacturing capabilities and extensive inventory enable us to supply our customers with profession wiring harness and connector solutions, such as wire harness assembly, cable assembly, wire processing, wire terminations equipment, connectors and terminals development, related components of wire harness assembly, and more. Youye Electronics provides high-quality, long-lasting wire harness and connector products for customers across the country and around the world, especially the United States, Canada, Brazil, Russian, and European Union countries in all industries. Our products offer technical performance and are electrically tested for the demanding industries, including automobiles, motorcycle, public transportations, artificial intelligence industry, home appliances, medical equipment, agricultural and engineering equipment, and so on. Youye Electronics is the trusted wire harness and connector manufacturer you need to know. We can provide the profession solution and service for your unique application. Welcome to contact Youye Electronics for reliable wire harness and connector solutions whenever you need.